Let me try again. At least something funny. Well, see you next time.
Alright, Bonnie. Let's do it. There we go.
Or else nothing. So Bonnie's gonna try to score again. Guys, this is Bonnie. I'm at a new museum. Check this out. It's raining on me. What's this now? There's something else. Dirty bunny. It's a dirty bunny. And it's gonna change a few more times. Aboriginal art in there. Very dark in here. Seven Sisters. This is cool. This is the Seven Sisters. Look at this one. That's Seven Sisters, the Aboriginal thing. This would take so long to make. I don't have patience for dot painting. Another one. Over here. Oh, look at this one, so huge. Here you can sit and watch a movie. Lovely. I'm in Kings Park, Western Australia's attraction, and have a look around. This is some kind of an Anzac thingy. Oh, how beautiful. That's the freeway over there. I like watching the cars go by. Cars go by. They've got wildlife flowers here if you want to come and have a look at them. You walk over this side and you will find a lot of wildlife flowers. This is Perth, everybody. The safest city on the planet, apparently, COVID-wise. Oh, lovely sky. There is a group of people doing something up there. I don't know what they're doing. Some white flowers. You can see much more colorful ones down that way. I'll show you some flowers over here. There's some kids on an excursion over there. I think palm trees. Oh, nice. Pam padam padam. Hello everybody, this is Manning Lake in Spearwood from the lookout, from the top of the staircase climb. So have you ever been here? It's also called Hamilton Hill Staircase. I used to live in Spearwood for like 20 years. Very special area. Hello, this is Bonnie and I'm at Scarborough Beach. Just chilling here with at the beach and annoying flies. I'll show you a bit around. Oh goodness, they're annoying. beach hopping today. Whack. Not many people in the water. Hello guys, this is Bonnie and I'm at City Beach. Just wanted to show you one of Perth's beaches. Oh, so many flies out here today. It's crazy. I've been in the water today, yeah, me. Very good beach. This is, it has low crime rates and it's very safe down here at City Beach. Not a very good sunset today. There's the lifeguard up there watching. Oh, Stuart. No, what's his name? John Palmer. The waves are just beautiful. People are climbing these rocks. I'm not good at climbing. Oh, no good. It's Boxing Day, one day after Christmas. Let's see this side of the beach. See you later, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Quack.